Do you know that 67% of women worldwide are actively seeking online income opportunities, yet only a small fraction of them or of us feel financially independent? Ladies, it's time to change this narrative. In today's digital world, you don't need a traditional 9 to 5 job to make good money. I'm a witness, I'm a woman, and here we are. All you need is a smartphone, of which I know as you're watching me, it means you have a smartphone. You will need internet connection, and at the same time you need focus and a plan. In this video, I'll show you 5 effective ways a woman can earn money online, and that is why it is important always have your income. Why do you think this video is going to be in two clusters? It is going to be, why do you think a woman should have really money on in her purse always? And again, we're going to see the 5 effective ways a woman can have money from online. You guys stick around till the end of this video, because the last method can help you start earning $100 minimum within a day. Is it workable? Yes. Why do you think, you guys, this is the first question I can pose to you. Why do you think women we need financial independence? Before we dive into methods, let's talk about why most women and most of us we should have money of our own. Having financial independence means freedom to make your own choices, you guys, whether it is traveling, education, or supporting your family. And when I'm talking about, there's this narrative, there's this thinking that women who are married should be depending on their husband. But what do you think? If your husband wakes up in the morning and you say, honey, can you get this 1M or this $1,000 and you add on that project, how do you think he would feel? You guys, security in uncertainty times, life can be unpredictable. Because so for you as a woman, because we cannot predict the life, you need to have some money at your own, like in your own bank. And having some savings from your online income can be a lifesaver. I've seen this. Confidence and employment is another reason why a woman should have money. Earning your own money as a woman builds self esteem and it opens up opportunities. Just imagine, ladies, the day of relying solely on others for financial stability are gone. Me, I know this is one thing that helps even unity in families, in friends, and even in the country at large, without forgetting worldwide. The online world offers countless ways to thrive, and I'll show you exactly how you, a woman, and me. Men, you shouldn't be biased right now and say, Christine, why have you brought for women? But women are mothers, women are everything almost. A woman, you give her a tool and she'll give you a project. So it's always very okay for women to be independent financially, such that they can support you men. However, you can also borrow from these methods. You men, you can do it. Borrow these methods and you'll shine with your women. The first method, but before I go to the first method, I would love to appreciate each and every person that is always on Immaculate Show, that has shared, that likes, that comments. As you know, Immaculate Show, our goal is to bring strategic tips, to bring everything that can make you be financially free. You have at least tomorrow, you build a generating income, a generation income, and at the same time, you use your smartphone instead of only handling it when it is very expensive. The first method is freelancing on platforms. When I talk about freelancing on platforms, if you have been following Immaculate Show, you have known about this. We have different platforms. There are some ladies who are full-time housewives, and they have led children that they cannot live at home. They have to be with them. So these platforms are very beautiful, that you can work at your own pace from home. You can do what you want to do. You can look after your family at the same time you're getting salary. And these platforms, we have like Fiverr, we have like Upwork. Freelancing is one of the best ways to start earning online. Well, you guys, let me tell you the truth. Me, I've seen what it is to have money. Some people say, oh, money is not everything. But let me tell you, me, now I say money is after God. Then after God, you put your family. Look at you as a woman. You're always seeing your husband is not feeling okay. Now to women who say, no, there is no need for me to work. I will depend on my husband. But imagine every morning you're asking your husband money. you're waiting for that money that is putting on the table, even if it's very 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 rich and providing. You need to have something you're putting on your table for you not to be a reliability. You guys, I tell you the truth, websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer skills like graphic design, writing, social media management, or even virtual assistants and even social media management is very good for you ladies. Even if you can develop even these skills from online. If you want to know how to make to be a social media manager, you can even also find it online. You can go to YouTube and see it. You can even go to uh, all or most of the platforms and you learn how to be a social media manager. Then when we go to if you want to be a virtual assistant, this one anyone can do it also. You can also have skills from online. Why it is very good, this freelancing on platform, they are flexible and lets you set your own rates. You guys, it's up to you. You sit at home and you say, I'm going to do this, I want how much, I want this. So this is very good. What do I encourage you, or what do I advise you? I advise you to focus on high demand niches like Pinterest management or Instagram content creation to stand out, because these are the places that you find most women are wanted. So if you specialize on this, you're going to be very okay. The second method of earning money as a woman online, when we are talking about money, we're not talking about 0.01. So we are talking about, if you really want to earn some good amount of money, you can sell products or you can sell courses. As a woman, if you're seated at home, suppose you are, like I always use an example of women who are housewives, women who are home and they cannot go to work, because most, if you go to see, almost a half of women in the world, that like 50% of women, you find they have an excuse that they are mothers at home. They cannot leave their children and go out. Their husband have said, no, 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 I provide everything, so sit at home and look after our children. So this method is very good. Why is it very good? Every woman has a product in her. I'm telling you the truth. Look in yourself, you have a product. When I talk about a product, you have a skill. You can develop some courses like for cooking. I've seen women who are very good cooks. You can develop some courses like for caring children at home. You can develop many different courses. Now I'm talking about that. You can even go to the extent of developing courses about online marketing, about online there are a lot of things. You can also sell real products like uh, these clothes, products like makeup. So what you think of the product that you can easily access, you can sell these products even if they are not in your shop. You can get them. If you want to know how to get products without having a shop, please put it in the comment section, so you can use platforms and sell these things. If you have a talent in cooking, you have a talent in crafting, you have a talent in yoga, you can turn all these ones into a source of income by creating an online course or selling digital products. Platforms like Teachable, and make it easier. I've seen this one work. Why can't it work for you? Just sit at home and say, what do you think I can do? And you start doing it. Why is it important for you to do this? You create the product once and sell it repeatedly for passive income. And as you know, women, we are great marketeers. I'm telling you, if you're a woman out there, you know that you can do what a man can do as far as provision of finances in a home is concerned. So I was telling you that women have made thousands of dollars. You people, let me give you this example. They have made thousands of dollars on monthly by printing, by selling printable planners on Etsy. This one I saw it. I even didn't know, but when I went to check, I really made it. After making research, I found it was only mainly made by women. The third method for you as a woman, you can do affiliate marketing with affiliate marketing products. You promote products or services and earn commission for every sale made through your link. If you're seated at home, even ladies who are going to work, who have a 9 to 10, 12-hour job, you can do this. You can use your social media platforms like Instagram, like YouTube or TikTok to review your products. I know I did this once. I know it is workable and I saw it work. So if you want to make it work, you can make it work. And why should you go for this method? Because it is upfront investment. There is no upfront investment that is required. That upfront investment is not there. You only focus on promoting products that your audience genuinely needs, uh, like beauty, health, or parenting essentials. And as a woman, you know what it means. Most women are looking for beauty products. Most women these days, they want to have hips. Most women is one these days, flat tummies are like part of should I think, part of something that they want. Most women, I'm telling you, if they don't look beautiful, they look young, they feel they don't want to age. So there are some products that you can sit at home and do for women. Then the method 4, and the method 4 is remote customer support. This is everywhere, almost that is everywhere, that companies are looking for to hire people remotely. And with ladies, you can easily handle customer inquiries because you're almost soft spoken. However, we have women who are not soft spoken like some of us, but we do it. Yeah, we can be soft spoken, and customers, there are also other platforms that they need people to chat with them. They need other people. Lonely people who are there outside that they want guidance. You can go on websites like Frex Jobs and Indeed. They have all these listings of opportunities. Why do you think I recommend this type of method? I recommend it because jobs often pay per hour and they come with consistent income. So you'll be there, rest assured. Do you know how it feels to know on this day I'm getting money? It is very beautiful. Let me give you companies like Amazon. Amazon, I worked on it like for 3 months, and Shopify, they offer remote positions for customer support specialists. So you can go for them and you start earning money there. Last but not least, one of the last, yeah, 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 yeah. And that's why I told you in the introduction that please keep with me. This one is the darling that has made me handle 1 million from online. Which method is this? This method is so simple. It's starting a YouTube channel or a blog. If you love creating content, and I've seen most women are content creators, not even in what we hear, but in naturally, women, we are content creators because we are always styling at home, we are always making, we are always producing something. So we are good content creators. You guys, just go and create your YouTube, you make a blog. These are powerful platforms like YouTube, and blogs are powerful platform that you can use and start earning money with AdSense or sponsorship. You can even put your affiliate marketing from marketing links on them, and you also start earning three, like you're earning three in one. So you guys, you can monetize your passion from today as you look at me. Why do I recommend it? I recommend this YouTube creation and blogs because the more content you create, the more you earn over time. It's not that you're going to create and earn today, then tomorrow. No, it can continue earning, whether 1 month, whether they have been there for 1 year, provided you know that you know the tips of making it evergreen. You can. And also, if you want to make your content evergreen, please write it in the comment section. I'll help you. There's something I want you to advise you on this. What you do as a woman, you can focus on topics women resonate with, like self-care, personal finance, or motherhood tips. These ones, they can take you to be financially free. Then what do I think? You people, as I end this video, I think, ladies, the internet has revealed the playing field. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a college student, or someone looking for extra income, there is a way for you to earn online. Remember, having your own money isn't just about independence, it's about empowerment and security. Start today, take one step at a time, and watch your confidence and bank account grow. If you found this video successful, if you found this video motivating, if you found this video impactful, please, I want you to go and put this in a comment section. Put it in a comment section in form of your thoughts. Don't forget, you guys, even if you're married woman and the husband is providing, don't be a liability. Let your husband know, no, I have a woman who is a eh, let me just put it for yourself. Let's make 2024 as it ends as ladies. Let's control our financial futures and freedom. Thank you very much. See you in another video.